Alright, so with this newer boat I got, launching it's kind of been a pain in the butt by myself. Basically because of where the rope is on it. I'll show you guys. It's got these two cleats in the front of the boat. And really, it already lacks storage, so just got the rope wrapped around it. And you gotta, if you're gonna launch the boat by yourself and do it with a rope where you tie it to the trailer, you gotta unravel till you get enough length and tie it to the trailer. And then of course, you gotta roll it back up, or you got a big water rope sitting in the front of your boat. And of course, when you're putting your boat back on the trailer, you gotta wrap it up. So, like I said, it's kind of been a pain in the butt. So I'm going to try something new. I picked up this Bungee anchor line. It's 14 foot, it stretches to 50 foot. I have no idea if this is gonna work. What I'm going to attempt to do is attach it to my boat, or to the trailer actually. Maybe loop it around the spare tire or around the ratchet and just have it there. And that way I get to the boat ramp, all I gotta do is take the bungee and attach it to the boat and back the boat into the water. Hopefully I can get a chance to try it out tomorrow. I need to try to figure out how to attach it right now though. Okay, so what I ended up doing is I had this carabiner from a Hunter safety system. I attached it to this end, I hooked it onto itself, and then just looped the bungee around the spare tire. You see it in there. And of course this end had the hook on it, so I'm just gonna connect it to the carabiner if I can, one-handed. That way it won't come off going down the road, and nothing is sagging, everything's pretty tight in there. So hopefully once I get to the boat ramp, all I gotta do is unravel it a few times and hook it directly to the U-bolt on the front of my boat and back it up. The reason I'm trying it with a bungee is because it's just less rope to deal with. The regular rope I'd have to have at least, I'm guessing, 20 foot or more, and with this it's 14 foot, but it stretches out. So hopefully if I take it easy, unload the boat and pull up slowly, that way it won't, whip back on me since it is elastic. But we'll have to try it and see. Trial and error, baby. Alright, so this landing's a little rough, but I've done this several times since I filmed this, and I found out it's better to pull the trailer up out of the water at a faster speed. It'll allow that bungee to stretch out, and the weight of the boat will keep it from coming in real fast. And it gives me a little more time to walk down to catch the boat. But so far, I'm really enjoying how this is working out. It saves me a little time not having to unravel a bunch of rope, not to worry about storing rope or having a big water rope laying around in my boat. Well, hopefully somebody else can use this idea and run with it, come up with something else even better. As always, I appreciate you watching.